study chapter 2 of mathematics for class 3 students. Name of the chapter is Fun with Numbers. In this chapter we will understand addition and subtraction with the help of a jumping game. Before starting the chapter, we will quickly revise the syllabus. Chapter number 1, where to look from. Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Chapter 3, Give and Take. Chapter 4, Long and Short. Chapter 5, Shape and Design. Chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Chapter 7, Time Goes On. Chapter 8, Who is Heavier. Chapter 9, How Many Times. Chapter 10, Play with Patterns. Chapter 11, Jugs and Mugs. Chapter 12, Can We Share. Chapter 13, Smart Charts. Chapter 14, Rupees and Pesos. So dear students, let us start learning. Let us start part 3 of chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Children are playing here a jumping game. Let us come to our first question. Jump 2 steps forward. Our first number is 104. If someone says jump 2 steps forward, it means we have to add 2. So if we add 2 in 104, new number will be 106. Further, when we add 106 plus 2, it will be 108. Now guess what will be the next number? We have to add 2 in 108. When we add, answer will be 110. So next number will be 110. After 110, when we jump 2 steps forward, new number will be 112 and next number will be 114. After that, when we jump 2 steps forward, we will arrive at 116. Now children started jumping backward. This question is asking jump 2 steps backward. From 262, if we jump 2 steps backward, then we arrive at 260. How this number comes? We subtracted 2 in 262. The new number comes 260. Again, when we jump 2 steps backward, we will reach at 258. So guess what next number will be? We have to subtract 2 in 258. At ones place we have 8 minus 2. Answer will be 6. At tens place we write down 5. At hundreds place we write down 2. So answer will be 256. Now again, when we jump 2 steps backward, new number will be 254. Similarly, next number will be 252. Again, when we jump 2 steps backward, we will reach at 250. In this question, kids are started jump 10 steps forward. If they jump 10 steps forward, we have to add 10 in previous numbers. For example, if we have 110 and we jump 10 steps forward, next number will be 110 plus 10. It will be 120. Again, next number will be 120 plus 10. It will be 130. So find out what is the next number. Next number will be 130 plus 10. It will be 140. Then 140 plus 10, 150. 150 plus 10, 160. 160 plus 10, 170. Here, children are jumping 10 steps backward. If we say 10 steps backward, it means we have to subtract 10 from a given number. If we subtract 10 from 200, new number will be, at ones place we have 0 minus 0, answer will be 0. At tens place 0 is less than 1, so we cannot subtract, we have to take a borrow from here. So new number will be 10, and 10 minus 1, 9. At hundreds place we have 1, so we will write down 1 here. Answer of 200 minus 10 will be 190 as written here. Next step will be 190 minus 10. It will be 180. 180 minus 10, 170. 170 minus 10, 160. 160 minus 10, 150. And final number will be 150 minus 10, 140. This question asks, continue the pattern. So students, what is pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats again and again. As we can see here, 550, 560, 570. We are adding 10 again and again. In 550, when we add 10, new number becomes 560. In 560, when we add 10, new number becomes 570. So this is the pattern. We are adding 10 again and again. So to continue the pattern, we have to add 10. If we add 10 in 570, new number will be 580. If we add 10 in 580, new number will be 590. If we add 10 in 590, new number will be 600. After addition of 10 in 600, new number will be 610. Question number 6 is asking, continue the pattern. As I said earlier, a pattern is a series or sequence that repeats again and again. So we need to find out what is repeating here again and again. First number is 910. Second number is 920. Third number is 930. Fourth is 940. We can see clearly that in 910, when we add 10, new number becomes 920. In 920, when we add 10, new number becomes 930. So what is the pattern here? Addition of 10 is the pattern here. So next number after 940, 950, then 960, 970, 980. Cheers. Come to the next question. Continue the pattern. 209, 207, 205. Here we are subtracting 2 again and again. In 209, if we subtract 2, new number comes 207. In 207, when we subtract 2, new number comes 205. 5. So the pattern is subtraction of 2. Next number will be 205 minus 2, 203. Next 201. Next number will be 199. Next 197. Come to the next question. It will be question number 8. Continue the pattern. This is very easy question. 401, 402, 403. As we can see that only 1 is adding here. If we add 1 in 401, next number comes 402, next 403. So guess what this number will be? It will be 404. Next one will be 405, then 406 and 407.